Hello, my name is Shantanu Pandey. I am legal internet lecturer and company. Today I am going to talk about the creation of easement. The creation of easement refers to the process of which the legal right to use or enjoy someone else's property is established. There are several ways through which the easement can be created, including express grant. An easement can be created by express written agreement between the owner or of the servant estate. The agreement should be clearly define the scope, location, purpose of the easement. Implied grants, in certain circumstances, an easement may be applied based on the action or conduct of the parties involved. For example, if there is a apparent continuous and necessary use of particular portion of the servant estate of the benefit of another property, an easement may be implied. Prescription, a prescription easement can be acquired through continuous, uninterrupted and open of another person property for a specific period of time as defined by the laws of the jurisdiction they use must be without the own premises, and the requirement of adverse possession continuous need to be met. Necessity easement necessity can be created which an landlocked property has no reasonable access to public roads or to utility services except by crossing another property, in which the case an easement may be implied by the grant provided necessary access. Easement by statute. Some jurisdictions have specific laws that allow the creation of easement for a specific purpose. If, for example, utility companies may have the statutory power to access a private property to install and maintain utility lines. Thank you. For any other doubt, let us know through comments.